Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a fix for those of you that have problems with your printers since the last update. So since we had Patch Tuesday, a lot of people have been mentioning that they have problems with printing, and Microsoft acknowledged that there was an issue. And this is not just printing with the printers, it's also a problem if you are doing virtual printing. That means if you are printing into a PDF, for example. So print into a file and so on. It does affect some users out there. Not everybody, but if you do have printer problems since Patch Tuesday, here are the fixes for you. I will post the link to these updates in the description below the video. So first of all, check out if it appears to you into the settings, into update and security, and check for updates and see if it actually updates from here. If it does, then the fix will come through Windows Update. But it seems it's not pushed to everybody, and some people are not seeing it, but they still have problems. So the fix is for 1809, the October 2018 update, and also 1903 and 1909, the May 2019 and November 2019 updates. There are no updates that was released for 2004, so for 2004, I mean, so that is interesting. I don't know if it's because maybe that one is not affected or something, but I seem to see that a lot of them are. So here is the page where you can download the updates. So basically, you have two types of updates. You have version 1903 and 1909. That is here. So what you need to do if you want it is to get the 1909 and 1903 versions for Windows 10. So cumulative update for Windows 10 here. On x86 if you have 32-bit machine, or x64 if you have a 64-bit machine, and you click the download button at the end on the right side of your screen. So that's where you get it. So for those of you on 1903, you have KB 4567512, that is x64 or x86. Don't worry if by chance you click the wrong one, it's going to tell you that you don't have the right version. So that's what you want to have for the updates that was released on June 15th. So check it out, and this is going to fix your printer problems apparently. So once again, version 1909 and 1903 are getting the x86, x64 version. So 1909, 1903. If you are on the October 2018 update, I have a separate one, which is 1809. That's the one you want to have. So you'll just check for either the x86 or x64 version, and the KB is KB 4567513. Click the download button at the right side. So all you need to know is, do you have a 64 or a 32-bit system, and download the proper one, and then what version of Windows do you have. Now, one little trick. Maybe you're going to say, yeah, but I don't understand and I don't know what version I have. Simply go into this little search box and type WINVER. Here, you'll see the WinVer command. It's going to tell you your version. So here it says for me version 2004. If you are on older versions, it's going to tell you that you are on 1909 or 1903 or 1809. So you will know here what version you have. So that's, like I said, if you download the wrong one, it's just going to tell you, no, this is the wrong, it's not for your system. So you'll know you'll have the wrong one. So this apparently fixes. So start by looking at Windows Update, and if it's not fixed, then download it manually from the Microsoft Update catalog. The links are in the description below the video. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.